like forever since I did a motovlog. Like, I don't even remember what the topic was the last time I did a motovlog. That's how long it's been. But for good and bad reason, I haven't done a motovlog. A few weeks ago, I did something that was on my riding bucket list, and that was to go to Mackinac City on my motorcycle. Now, when I originally bought the Harley Davidson, the Street Bob 114, I originally was going to take that because it had a 6th gear, because for some reason I thought I needed a 6th gear to go high speeds comfortably. And then I remembered, wait a minute, I own a Honda Fury. So me and Miss Esoteric, we ended up booking a hotel in the city almost as soon as you enter it, and we just hopped on the bike bright and early in the morning. We shot 4 hours up north, a grand total of 626 miles to and from, and that is including crossing the Mackinac Bridge, in which I'm probably going to do a bonus footage on. I kind of kept it to Facebook, to like my personal friends, because I don't know, I just didn't make for good footage for YouTube for the channel. It was just kind of like a one-off video. Not really many people would view it. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't make a big spectacular motovlog out of it because I just wanted it to be a personal trip that me and Miss Esoteric did. No cameras, no nothing. I brought the handlebar GoPro just in case I wanted to get some B-roll footage of something, and I did, crossing the bridge. And yeah, so that led me to this motovlog. When people ask me, how does the Honda Fury handle on long distances? How does it run? How does it feel? Is it reliable? How'd it go at highway speeds? And well, that really answered my question, taking it, you know, from 4 hours south of the city straight up there. And man, I tell you what. So we took the freeway all the way up and all the way down, and it was, you know, I can't lie to you. I am so impressed with how the Fury handled. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't taken it for that long at highway speeds. I've never done highway that long or that far or that speed on any motorcycle that I've owned, not even the Harley Davidson. Never even did it on that. And I'm like, you know what? Hell, I've got the bike. I might as well see if it can hang with the big boys. And I will be damned if anybody says a Honda Fury can't go the distance. Because brother, sister, aunts and uncles too, you damn right, this Honda Fury handled like a dream. Now, on a stock seat, I can't guarantee the comfortability because I did not use a stock seat. I used the CNC 2-up touring seat. Click the little link in the corner of the video to do my review, to view my review, and you know, purchase one yourself, customize it, do all what you want to do. So I used that seat, and not even Miss Esoteric had anything to complain about. That was 4 hours straight of just motorcycle. Aside from a few stops at a gas station to refuel, I only had to about 3 times to and 3 times back home. Now, man, it was so comfortable for me. I had no problem. No windscreen. We literally packed a backpack with 2 days of clothing, and it was a pretty spontaneous thing. And we went there straight, 85 miles an hour at average. Anywhere between 80 to 90, 85 miles an hour average. Now, that was biker status right there. I will never claim to be a hardcore biker, brother, walk into a bar and intimidate some 19-year-old bartender because I think I'm so damn hot, brother. No, I will never claim or act like I'm some sort of big badass biker like that. But what I will say, what is biker status, is somebody who can go on a 5-speed like a Honda Fury, a production chopper, one that is not made for touring, one that is a cruiser, one like that guy right there, one like this bike, and say that they went the distance. It's almost like an iron butt challenge. Obviously, it's way less than an iron butt challenge, but someone who has done that on a motorcycle like this, that's biker status right there. Tell me I'm wrong in the comments. I dare ya. Now, the Honda Fury handled like a dream. I know I've said that multiple times, but I just can't state it enough because I personally did not expect the Honda Fury to handle this good. Watch yourself there, Compass, or Cherokee, whatever the hell you are, you will get. Never mind. Can't say that on YouTube. Anyway, So I did not expect the Fury to handle this well. I really did not. Like I said, going 85 miles an hour in the 5th gear, this thing was so smooth. The vibration was good. Oh man, it was just way better than I expected, and that made the trip so much better. I did not expect it to be that comfortable, to be that nice of a ride. This thing handled well. It did not shake at high speeds. This thing, like, obviously I checked the fluids, the tires, made sure all that was good, and yeah, everything was all good before and after. And like, this motorcycle is a diamond in the rough. It's just, you think you would expect it not to be like that, but it is. This is the all-in-one motorcycle. You put some hard bags on this thing and you've got it made, man. You are good to go. And that right there backed up my statement. I'm like, okay, I was a little iffy on how it handled, but you know what? To hell with it. We're only going to do this maybe one time for the season, that is. But now that I know how well this motorcycle handled, I'm ready to go anywhere on this thing, man. I really am. I'm so like, I'm just excited just talking about it. And it happened weeks ago. And that's honestly the reason why I haven't really done a motovlog in a minute. Plus the weather has been awful. This is probably the last good day for riding. It's the good colors. It's just gonna get super cold. I'm gonna have to bust out the heavy leathers, the chaps. It's not gonna stop me from riding just yet, not until there's salt on the ground, because Lord knows I ain't rusting out the bottom of this frame because I love this bike way too much of these damn Michigan roads. Not happening. Love this bike too much to let it go through that. So I'm kind of hoping this answered your question. After 626 bone-crunching miles, and I mean that in the best way, like, man, this bike hammered them out. This bike made that trip its little sniveling bitch. Man, man, just when you think the Honda Fury is the best, it one-ups you. It just does better. It does better everything you put it through. I can't say enough about it. And I hate that I sound like a little Honda Fury fanboy, like, you know, I'm a little cheerleader about it, but you know, you can't damn me for speaking the truth, because that is the truth, man. This thing went the distance, and you know, I think next time I go on a long distance ride, a 4 or 5 hour ride, actually probably next season, I'm gonna go back up there with Big Bro on his Harley and the Fury again, and I think I'm gonna make a big motovlog out of it, just to prove to you guys that this thing can go the distance. If the excitement in my voice isn't enough to convince you that, hey, you know, maybe I can take my Honda Fury on a long trip, I don't know what will. This is gonna have to hold you over. I hope this was a pretty insightful video for you guys, that this thing can go the distance. After 626 miles, that's not an easy feat. With no windscreen, just a leather jacket, a full face helmet, and you know, you gotta give kudos to Miss Esoteric, because she had no sissy bar. She went the distance just like I did, just like this motorcycle did, and man, she is as much as a rider as I claimed she was, and all that did was solidify it. How many people compliment her and be like, wow, I would not have lasted 10 minutes at those speeds on that condition with how, you know, it just with just excuse after excuse. Man, it was just, yeah. So kudos to Miss Esoteric for sticking it out. She was as tough as nails, so was I. And I say that making it sound like, oh man, this was so hard to do, when it wasn't. The Fury made it handle like a dream, and it was so nice. And man, I can't express it enough. I really can't. So if you guys did enjoy the video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram at Esoteric Rider, where I post funny reels and pictures and videos that just might be too hot for YouTube. You never know. You gotta go check it out to find out if I'm a bold-faced liar or not, which I guarantee, I'm not. So once again, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like the video. When you ride, be safe and ride free. Support your local veteran. All that good jazz. And when you ride, be safe and ride free. I know I just said that, but oh well, I'll say it again. And on that note, peace out.